Hi everyone! Whether you are writing waves or writing code, having the right tools can completely transform your experience. In this video, we are exploring Windsurf AI, the intelligent AI-powered IDE designed to keep you in the flow. We will walk you through installing Windsurf AI, setting up the MongoDB server to connect with MongoDB, and testing it all by building the API to fetch movie comments from the MongoDB collections. Stick around. This is going to be fun. So what exactly is Windsurf AI? Windsurf a next-generation AI IDE designed to streamline coding by helping you write, modify, and grasp your code with ease. And the MongoDB MCP Server plays a critical role of secure connector, enabling AI models like the one driving Windsurf to interact with your MongoDB databases effortlessly. Within it, Windsurf AI can query, analyze, and manage data from your MongoDB backend. What is truly remarkable is how the integration brings your database directly into your development workplace, boosting your productivity. Let's get started by downloading Windsurf from the official website. Once installed, open the app and sign in. Since I already installed it, I will jump right in by opening Windsurf and selecting the project I want to work on. Next, you will need to install the MongoDB MCP Server to connect and interact with your MongoDB Atlas cluster. To do this, click the cascade icon in the top right corner of the Windsurf window or press Command L. Then open MCP Server section, search for MongoDB, and click Install. Enter the connection string for your MongoDB Atlas cluster, restart the app, and you will be set up to query your data with AI. See, now we can see that our connection string is saved in the configuration. Today, I'm taking a hands-free approach, no typing. Instead, I will use my voice to prompt the agent, but you can print if you want. Let's begin with a simple question. Find 5 movies released in 2005. Windsurf uses MCP tool list collections to check available databases and select the relevant one to give me the data about my movies. Then it uses MCP tool find to retrieve the data about the movies. And just like that, Windsurf turns your prompt into MongoDB query, executes this, and displays the results. No code, no filters, just answers. Here is where it gets really exciting. Let's use Windsurf to create an API that returns movie reviews, seamlessly blending your backend with Windsurf AI. I prompt create Node.js API to get movie reviews. First, as you see, the agent installs the necessary packages, then analyzes the data, checks the data in the movies collection and comments collection, and then generates a simple API using Node.js and Express to serve these movie reviews. We can review the diffs for new files. We can accept them or reject as we want. And voila, Windsurf provides a ready-to-use Node.js code snippet. This is a massive time saver for us. The agent then starts the server, as you see, and gives us an example endpoint to test. Let's paste it into our browser and check the results. Success! As you can see, we can now read reviews for the selected movies. Great job, Windsurf. Fast and efficient as always. But let's also do some UI to receive data in a better way. Create UI interface to see the data. As you see, the agent creates a new index.html file that will serve as the front end for our application. And it updates server.js file to serve this page when we visit the main URL. Now we can restart the server, and the new user interface will be live. Now we can visit main URL and we will see a page with button to load and display reviews. And that's it. You now got WindsurfAI connected with MongoDB using MongoDB MCP Server and real working API. This powerful combo unlocks a whole new level of productivity, letting you explore, query, and interact with your MongoDB data like never before. Don't just take our word for it. Give it a try and experience the transformation yourself. Check out the video description for more details. Until next time, write smarter.